There's my water heater settlement remover tools. I call it a wand, settlement wand. I have a water heater. I'm going to demonstrate it here in a minute how to work it. As you can see, I have two different versions. This is my first one. As you can see, it's been well used over the years. And what it is, it attaches to the shop vac hose, wet dry, any wet dry vacuum cleaner. That's my first version. Then I end up going to this version because I couldn't get it back, and I'm going to use it here in just a minute. And I also have a probe that I use to move stuff around. And that's right here. That's what it looks like. That's everything I'll be using here in just a minute to replace that water heater element. The water tank that we have drained down. The power is turned off. Now we'll be removing that element right there, the lower element. As you see, I'm getting ready to remove this element with another adapter. This works beautifully. Breakdown wrenches. You can hear the element turning inside. Okay, let's pull this thing out and see what we got. As you can see, I'm going to pull this thing out. Look at that element. There's my foot up there. It's got a bunch in there. I think it's bent, burned up. I'm going to have to get both hands on this one. Yeah, but you can see all the lime coming out already. All over. That's what's in those water tanks. Look at all that good stuff. Yes. As you can see, we got the water heater element out. And if you look back in there, I don't know if you can see very good. You can see all the lime buildup back in there. It's filled up to that lower hole already. So we will attempt to remove as much as I can. You won't get 100% of it out, but you'll get a lot of it. As you can see, I've hooked the wand right there up to the shop vac. And this, you will go in there and work it and try to suck as much as you can. And the aide with this tool can go around the outsides and pull additional lime to the center to be able to pick it up by this tool. Let me turn it on. We'll get started. You get big chunks on it. At times you'll need to take the helper and pull it over in there. Alright. Let's see, you can see where it hooks up to that. There's my little trusty shop vac, heavy duty. Let's show you what it looks like. A little water on the floor. Here's what it looks like down in there. Water. Kind of looks like small gravel, mud. I mean, this thing doesn't get every bit of it out, but it gets a big portion of it out. So maybe get a little more life out of your water heater. I'll get it higher. Another light here. There she is. Guess I can put it back together. Yep, I got what left there is clean up a little bit. Yeah, there it is. Dumped it out of that bucket. All cleaned up. Well, there it is. My little shop vac tools been used now. Got a little wear on it finally. We'll start working it down. And the little probe I made to go with it. And they lock right up inside there for easy transport. There they are. My cleanup tools right there.